Hello everybody, this is Eliakim Cohen. I am standing and looking at one of the most famous scenes in the entire world, the holy Jewish Mount of Olives in Jerusalem. We are currently walking down this stunning path along the old city walls, getting to the Jewish Temple Mount. But I figured in the meantime, I would do this wonderful video from this spectacular vista. Here's the eastern part of our city, Jerusalem, our eternal Jewish capital. And there is the famous Mount of Olives. When the Jewish Messiah comes, the Mashiach, the Mount of Olives will play a critical role, as it says in the